Salary deduction, shock, check Article 25. Employers can't deduct money randomly. UAE law lists specific cases. If you recently received your payslip and noticed an unexpected deduction, you're not alone. Many employees in the UAE are surprised to find their salary cut for reasons they don't understand. So how do you know if your employer had the right to deduct from your wage? The official answer lies in Decree Law 33/2021, the UAE labor law. As employers and employees alike look for transparency and fairness, it's essential to understand what the law actually allows. Article 25 is the cornerstone. It strictly limits salary deductions to a set of circumstances outlined in the law. Unless a deduction is specifically listed, it is not permitted. Let's break down these cases. First, loans. If your employer gave you a loan, they cannot start recovering that money from your salary without your written consent. Plus, they're not allowed to charge any interest, safeguarding your financial well-being. Second, if you were accidentally overpaid, your employer can deduct that overpayment. However, there's a cap. No more than 20% of your wage may be deducted at any time for this purpose. This prevents undue hardship and ensures deductions are fair and manageable. Third, pensions and insurance. If you are enrolled in a pension plan or have insurance contributions mandated by law, your employer is allowed to deduct these amounts. This is standard practice and ensures legal compliance for both parties. Fourth, if you've agreed in writing to contribute to a savings fund or are enrolled in an approved welfare scheme, these agreed deductions are lawful, protecting your financial planning objectives. Fifth, disciplinary deductions. Sometimes mistakes happen, but disciplinary measures must follow strict rules. Deductions for disciplinary actions must be in accordance with approved regulations and typically can't exceed 5% of your wage. This protects you from excessive penalties and ensures fairness. Sixth, court judgments. If you owe money due to a court judgment, your employer may deduct up to a quarter of your wage in most cases. However, some judgments, like alimony, may exceed this threshold. This balances legal obligations with your need for income stability. Seventh, damage repair. If you caused material damage in the workplace, deductions may be made to cover repair costs. Yet these deductions are capped at no more than 5 days' wage per month. This controls the impact on your earnings while ensuring accountability. What if you feel your salary has been unfairly deducted or your employer is acting beyond these limits? The law is on your side. Before accepting any deduction, seek advice from a qualified legal expert to protect your rights and avoid irreversible financial loss. Remember, this information is educational and not legal advice. I'm Hambi Hassan, a legal and real estate consultant in the UAE.